become an offender. That's what you've been. I was blind, I was in, I was bad.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, 광. Today I'm gonna be doing my makeup routine. Anyways, let's get started.
The memories, it's all just memories now. Don't you love when I come around?
So basically, this was a requested video. I hadn't really had the idea of doing it, to be honest. I don't really do my makeup that often, but since it was requested, you know I had to do it. Alright, so first I'm just gonna start off by taking off my glasses and putting on my headband thing. So I know some people think this is weird, and that's alright, but I don't think it's weird at all. Since I'm going to be touching my face a bit, I always like to put a little bit of hand sanitizer. So step one is putting hand sanitizer. I usually play music in the background, but since you want to hear my voice, I'm not. And besides, there's going to be music in this anyways. And also, I have my mirror with me. These next 3 steps are kind of like skincare steps. So step 2 is serum, just a bit. Okay, so I'm done. Step 3 is toner. Oh, I just spilled it. And then the last step of the skincare bit is just moisturizer. Step 4 moisturizer. I was actually planning on doing the makeup haul first, but then I was like, I'll just do it along the way. It'll make the video so much longer. Okay, now we can finally move on to the makeup part. I don't have primer, and besides, I usually like feel as if toner works as well as primer does. So I'm just gonna move on straight to foundation. Guys, when I tell you, I brought options. These two, they look the same, but actually one of them is a darker shade. I used to use this. I use it for like lighter areas, and then this for like darker ones. Just to keep it looking natural. I also have, and then I also have this one. Also, I had to throw away the blending sponge, I think it's called, because you know how they get old. Sometimes you need to buy new ones. But yeah, that's basically what I have to do. And all of this makeup, not all of it is actually mine. I had to roll like on a shopping spree in my mom's room. Just blend that out. Okay, as you can see, this is my outer face shade. So what I do is I go in with this one in like the middle. So just make it a bit like guys, you'd think like this is crazy. This is not a skin match, but you'll see in the end. Don't worry, gang, I know what I'm doing. This is like only for like around my nose area. I feel like I look so much darker on camera now, but in real life, I look way lighter. Like, why did it switch up? Anyways, now that foundation is done, I move on to concealer. I don't know, this is not mine, this is my mom's. This is her Florence by Mills concealer. Oh my gosh, Millie Bobby Brown, guys. Anyways, I'm just gonna apply some and then blend it out. I feel like all I can do is hope that I look good on camera, because in real life it looks so good, but then on camera and honestly I don't really do full face sometimes. It's only for the sake of the video that I'm doing the full face. Okay, so this is it with the concealer. And I also have this concealer and foundation thing. I would use it, but I don't feel like I need to. A lot of stuff I brought, but I'm not gonna use. Just realized I was using the wrong headband. So this is my makeup one. Yes, it's it looks kind of old because it is. Next is like contour powder. So this is what I'm gonna use. It really more or less sets the look. Just get it up there. Alright guys, so next is blush. I have this blush, it's almost run out, but it is really good. Okay, you can't really see on camera, but in real life it looks really good. I usually go around as like contour just at the bottom of it. There we go. Oh yeah, and I was using that as a little extra blush. I add like this color at the end, that reddish one, because it's really bright. Yeah, I feel like you can see that way more on camera, and I don't mind my blush being like really bright. And this is the palette. Okay, as you can see, the blush is all done. I feel like I need to blend it out a bit more. Everything looks so different on camera. Right, so the next step is eyes. You guys have already seen 2 things that I have for eyes, but the other 2 things is this palette and this one. My mom got this for me. This was actually mine before, but then I gave it to my mom. I gave it to my mom, so I borrowed that from her, and it came with this sheet. And then finally, this last palette, it is really big. This is not mine, but it's more or less a natural look, so I'm not going to be using any bold colors, unfortunately. I guess I could if I wanted to, but I don't really want to ruin my look, because if I was going for something more bold, this wouldn't have been the look. Anyways, I'm just going to start off by using like this color, if you could see what that was. I might as well just do them both at the same time. Next, I'm just gonna go darker. Okay, I'm gonna use an even darker shade. I think it's this one from this palette. Anyway, so this is the eyeshadow done. I think it looks really good. Not too much, just a bit of natural. My next step is something I don't do often at all, but I've recently sometimes thought to doing it, which is eyeliner. Just how you have to be really careful. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna do it the same on this eye. Okay, that in fact looks very good. Right, so next step, you could use lashes, but I don't really wear lashes, and sometimes I don't even like wearing mascara. But my next step is mascara. I've genuinely lost count on the steps I'm on. My mascara tube feels so empty. I feel like it looks very different now. It looks like I'm wearing lashes. So my next step is highlighter. Sometimes I go for a plain white shade of highlighter, sometimes gold. Today I'm feeling gold. It won't even look gold on camera. Or maybe it will. I do 2 areas on my nose and then just a bit in the inner corner of my eye. Perfect, that looks so good. Alright, next is brows. Anyways, I don't do much with my brows. All I do is just shape them a bit with this eyebrow gel. So yeah, this is basically what I'm doing. This is the gel. I think I've shown it in one of my videos before. Also, guys, don't think this is just a daily makeup. I think I mentioned it before, but this is full makeup, to a big event. I'll say big event. I don't think I bought lip liner. Oh well. Anyways, I'm just gonna use some lip balm first. And then I have this pen on my X. butter gloss. I only ever use a tiny bit because it's like, it's really pigmented. I have this butter gloss, this high gloss, I don't know, some gloss. It's just like, it looks the same color as the NYX one, but it's just like more or less a gloss. Okay, so that's the gloss done. And then finally my actual, what's it called, setting spray. I actually have one. I got one for my birthday. Is upstairs. I was scared. I thought my face mist spilled, but it was just my other one. Anyway, so finally I'm just gonna end off with face mist. Sometimes it's wet and I like it to dry quickly, so I have my fan. This was also in another one of my videos. But anyways, this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my full makeup routine for spring. Yes, for spring. Because sometimes when it comes to different seasons, you can have different makeup routines, and I'm just one of those people who do. I'm not sure if everyone does, but I know quite a few people who do. I think it looks really good. I actually like it. It probably looks way better in real life anyways, but it is what it is. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed coming on this journey with me. If you did enjoy, comment down below what you enjoyed and also what I can do to improve and make my videos better. Make sure you like, subscribe and turn the post notification bell on so that you can get alerted every single time I post. Also, comment down any of the suggestion video ideas that you want me to do, because I definitely will do them. Anyways, that's all for today, guys. Bye.